Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study a company balance sheet. A balance sheet is a crucial financial statement, offering a snapshot of a company's financial position at a specific moment. It details what a company owns, what it owes, and the equity held by its owners. Understanding this document is key to assessing financial stability and potential for growth. We'll break down each section to make it clear. Let's start with assets, which are everything a company owns that has economic value. These are typically divided into current and non-current assets. Current assets, like cash or inventory, can be converted to cash within 1 year. Non-current assets, such as buildings or machinery, are long-term investments. Analyzing these helps you understand a company's resources and operational capacity. Next, we examine liabilities, which are the company's financial obligations to outside parties. Similar to assets, these are categorized as current, due within 1 year, or non-current, due over a longer period. Finally, owner's equity represents the residual value after subtracting liabilities from assets. This section shows the owner's stake in the company, reflecting their investment and retained earnings. To truly understand a balance sheet, you need to analyze key financial ratios. The current ratio, calculated as current assets divided by current liabilities, assesses short-term liquidity. The debt-to-equity ratio, total debt divided by shareholder equity, reveals how much debt a company uses to finance its assets. These ratios provide deeper insights into a company's financial health and risk profile. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.